Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Geek for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to save and close a Word document. Please subscribe to my channel from here by clicking on this button so that you may find the new coming tutorials on my channel easily. So let's get back to the tutorial how to open a Word document. If you want to open a new document, you can write Word. This is how we open a new document here, and then this is your document you want to work in. Then another option, you can open a document which is a type of document, a kind of document you have already saved on your computer. Then you can go to the location and find the document you want to open like this. I want to click to open this document. I will double click on the document and this will open. Now I want to close this document. Right here you can close from here, or simply you can click this cross close option and this will close your document. Thank you.